Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to our geography session class, chapter 8, Economy and Occupation, part 2. So in this part, we are going to learn about the major primary sector activities in Brazil. They are agriculture, mining and fishing. There are a lot of crops which are produced or cultivated in Brazil, such as rice, corn, coffee, cacao, sugarcane, rubber, soya bean, then fruits such as banana, orange and pineapple. So the production for each crops, we know that it needs suitable agriculture, climatic factors, slope of the land, etc. So according to Brazil, these all suitable factors are there for the production of these particular crops, what I just mentioned now. In Brazil, rice and corn are the cereals or the food crops, and other crops such as coffee, cacao, rubber, soya bean, etc. are the cash crops, and same manner the fruits such as pineapple, orange and banana are also producing. Minas Gerais and Sao Paulo are the two regions which are producing coffee more. And in Brazil, people are doing the animal husbandry also. Cattle, sheep, goats are the main animals which the Brazilians are using for their animal husbandry. Agriculture, these are the main activities which are doing by the Brazilian people. Next one, it is mining. For production, we can see the southeastern part of the country. Lot of crops are producing in the southeastern part of the country. In the same manner, in the northern part, rubber plantation is more. According to the climatic factors and the availability of the water, the crops which is producing in different parts of the country are also different. Next one, we are going to see mining. Manganese, bauxite, iron ore and coal are the main minerals which are deposited in the Brazil. This also we can see mainly in the eastern part of the country. And apart from these minerals, diamond, tungsten is also deposited. Iron ore, manganese, nickel, bauxite, diamond, tungsten, etc. are the mineral deposits which we can see in Brazil, mainly in the eastern part of the country. So that is the reason in the eastern part, a lot of industries, factories are also set up, and eastern part is most popular for the trade and commerce activities in the Brazil. Same manner we can see urbanization is also developed in the eastern part of the country because of the mineral deposits. Even though we already learned that central part of Brazil also we can see rich mineral resources, but people are not making use of it. What is the reason? Because of the inaccessibility. What is the reason for inaccessibility? Dense forest. Transportation systems are also not developed in that region. Because of that, the people are not able to utilize the minerals which is deposited in the central part of Brazil. Then transportation problems, lack of knowledge are also the reasons for the minimum utilization of the resources in Brazil, apart from the eastern part of the country. Fishing is the third primary sector activity which is engaged by the people in Brazil. We know that in Brazil, the country Brazil, eastern part is covered by the ocean. What is the name of the ocean? That is Atlantic Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean and South Atlantic Ocean. Brazil has a sea coast of 7,400 kilometers. It has an extent fishing ground. What is the reason for the extent fishing ground? And lot of fishes are growing in the southeastern part of the country. Reason it is, you learn in the 8th standard about ocean currents. In which place the warm ocean current and cold ocean current will meet, in that place we can see the or that particular place is more suitable for the growing of the fish. So in this region, the southeastern part of the country, or we can see that the warm ocean current, warm Brazil current and cold Falkland current is meeting in this particular place in the eastern part. So it leads for the growing of the food for the fish. So it led for or it leads for the growing of fish also. In the earlier times, the people were using the traditional methods, but now the new techniques the Brazilians were adopted for fishing. So we know that the Amazon river facing lot of or variety types of fishes are there, but that is not utilized that much because of the inaccessibility to that particular area. Now we are going to study the map which is given in your textbook.
So this is a map which is given in your textbook, page number 54, figure 8.3. It shows Brazil's major primary activities. If you are observing the index, you can see that major primary activities. First one it is agriculture, second one mining, and third one is animal husbandry. So here in the agricultural products, they are producing coffee, rice, corn, sugarcane, cacao, rubber, banana, orange, and soybean. Among these, rice and corn are the food crops or the cereals which are producing in Brazil. And all other, apart from banana, orange, they are the fruits. Then other crops such as coffee, sugarcane, cacao, rubber and soybean are the cash crops. And the second primary activity, it is mining. The manganese, bauxite, iron ore and coal are the main minerals what is deposited in this Brazil. And for animal husbandry and fishing are also engaged by the people as their primary activities. If you are observing in this map, we can see that in the eastern part of the country, almost all the crops are producing. Same manner, lot of natural resources such as the minerals are also deposited in this southeastern part of the country. And if you are considering here, we can see that the coffee, rice, sugarcane, cacao, banana, orange, soybean, these all are producing in the eastern part of the country. And the same manner, we can see that the rubber production in this part, that means in the northern part, we have already learned that in the city Manas is a city which grows or which is located in the northern part because of the natural port and the rubber plantation, that place become the city. So the rubber plantation mainly we can see in the northern part of the country near the Amazon, that means in the Amazon river basin. And if you are observing the central part, we can see the production of corn and the soybean production also we can see. Soybean production here, these all regions like in the eastern part and southern part also we can see the soybean is producing in this country. And we can see in this part the production of rice and banana and the orange. These fruits are also there in the northeast and the eastern part of the country. And mining we can see in the southeastern part like bauxite and iron ore we can see here in the country, that means near the in the southeastern part of the country. And if you are observing in the map, we can see that manganese is producing in the northeastern part of the country. And same manner we can see in the central part, iron ore is also producing. And if you are observing in the southern part, we can see the production of coal in this in the country. And the last one here, these two arrow marks, blue color and pink color, it representing the ocean currents. So here in the South Atlantic Ocean, in southern part of the country, it is a meeting place of the warm ocean current and a cold ocean current. The warm ocean current, Brazilian current, and the cold Falkland current is meeting in this particular place. So that I already explained that this particular place is suitable for the growing of the fish. So because of that, we can see the fishing activities are also doing by the people. The fishes such as swordfish, shrimp, lobsters, sardines are the mainly or the main fishes or variety fishes which we can see in the Brazil. And if you are observing this particular map, we can understand that the people in the country in almost all the part of the areas are using for the different activities in the primary sector. They are agriculture, mining, and fishing activities.
I hope all of you understood the particular topic. Read your textbook well, learn well, and do this map activity in your notebook. Thank you.